How to make an account private in Duolingo. To make your account private on Duolingo, it is actually impossible to do it over Android or iOS. You will have to go over to the Duolingo website. The Duolingo website is www.duolingo.com, as you can see here. Once you've gone to the Duolingo website, select Privacy Settings, and then disable the option Make My Profile Public, as you can see here. To disable the friend updates, you will need to set your Duolingo account to be private. And that's how to make your account private in Duolingo.